Hello everybody and welcome. I'm going to be showing you how to have a skybox in your motion clubhouse. Now it's pretty easy. Just follow along and I'll do my best to, take it slow. Okay, before I even start, make sure that you are using Unity version 2021.3.25 and you have the Motion SDK installed in your project. Okay, I'm going to assume that you have all that taken care of. What we're going to do is at the very top of our Unity, you should have a drop down for Motion SDK and SDK tools. And there we go. I like to put it over here. Makes it easier for me to go between inspector and stuff. So first order of business, we're going to make a environment scene. Okay, so now the scene is an environment scene for motion. So on the left, you'll see directional light, motion environment, and it drops this little guy just chilling. He's just vibing. He's just hanging out here. Don't worry about him. Don't worry. He doesn't export with the project, okay? Remember, the environment scene is different from the room scene. But don't worry. It's going to make a lot of sense. Just stick with me. Make sure that you have the skybox that you want to use for your room before continuing. Or, just follow along and remember or save this video or whatever you want to do. So at the very top of your Unity project, click Window, and then go to rendering, and then you'll see lighting. Okay, in your lighting, you should have a couple of options at the top. Don't worry about those. Go over to environment, and you'll see skybox material. Now, this is just the default skybox. If you want to have something special, make sure to pick something. I'm just gonna pick something that I already have. I have a lot of materials in here. I have a lot. Okay, so this is the skybox that I will be using. It's pretty cool, clouds and stuff, and a little sun up there. That's pretty neat. Okay, so now that you have done that, make sure to close that, and on the bottom here you'll see these numbers, MSDK followed by a series of numbers and letters. What you want to do is you want to copy that. And you want to save this environment scene. Now that you have saved this environment scene, go ahead and open your room scene. Okay, once you are in your room scene, over here, right where I am pointing, you're going to see a empty box that says environment ID. What you want to do is you want to take those funny little numbers and letters that you just copied and drop them in there. And then they're all in there. Look at that. Amazing. Cool. Okay, so now they are in there. Okay, so now that we have that environment code copied right there, save your project. And then go back to your environment scene. Here we are. Hit build scene. Okay, cool. Environment scene has been built and it has been saved. We're going to go to our room scene. Bang, back over here. And you're not going to see it in here. They are completely separate. If you want to see what it looks like, I will go back to the environment. If you want to see what it looks like, you will need to make sure that you are in the environment scene. Find your project file. It'll be something.unity and drag it over into the hierarchy on the left, and bang, you can see it all right here. So this is what it's going to look like for the most part when I export it to motion. Okay, we have the environment scene already saved and built. We have it copied. We have it pasted right here on the side right here. If you want to close up, it's right there for you. Don't copy those exact numbers. They're going to be different for each one of you. Once you have them all copied, go ahead and hit build scene. It may take a little bit depending on what you got going on in your room, but now that it has been exported, it has been saved. This is a very, very, very important step. Okay, now please, you'll need to close motion and reopen motion, which I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to disappear. Okay, now that we have reopened motion, your export is going to be popping up in the Clubhouse templates at the very top. So you're going to scroll on through and find it. So it's not any of these. Let's click that, create. Okay, we are now in the environment that we have exported, and we can see that the skybox is here. You're probably like, why is it so bright? Well, that's because there are no cameras in the scene. So watch this. Created a camera. Done. There you go. Problem has been taken care of. We got some issues with material, but that's not Motion's fault. That's my fault. This is ripped from a PlayStation 2 game. So yeah, look, the skybox is all there. Everything seemed to be exported pretty good. Thank you for watching. Be sure to join the Discord. It is full of a very helpful community and incredibly talented creators. I got more tutorials coming for you, so stay tuned. Plus, Motion keeps updating, and that means more tutorials, so we'll see what happens. Thank you for hanging out and watching this, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.